In which surgeries we can use internal brace. So friends, in our previous video we have discussed about what is internal brace and why internal brace is better. In this video we are going to discuss in detail in which surgeries we can use internal brace. In shoulder surgeries we use internal brace in rotator cuff repair. If the surgery is done without the internal brace in rotator cuff repair, then after the surgery we have to keep the arm in a shoulder immobilizer for 6 weeks. But if we do the surgery of rotator cuff repair with the internal brace, specifically the name of the surgery is speed bridge double row repair with fiber tape internal bracing, then we can mobilize the arm after 1 day of the surgery, and the chances of frozen shoulder after the rotator cuff tear repair is very minimal. Internal brace is also used in the AC joint, acromioclavicular joint disruption. So with the help of AC joint fixation with internal brace, we can mobilize the hand immediately after the surgery, and the results are much more stronger than the conventional method. With the internal brace, even the anterior-posterior stability of the AC joint can be managed, which can't be managed with the conventional operating techniques. If I talk about the knee, then we are using, and every surgeon in the world is using internal brace in ACL reconstruction and repair, ACL avulsion, PCL avulsion, MCL repair, LCL repair, PLC repair, even the MPFL repair. So each and every ligament of the knee joint, when it is repaired, we are protecting the repair with the internal brace fiber tape, and this is allowing the patient to mobilize from the next day, and they can get back into sports within 3. This is also used with the patellar tendon rupture and the quadriceps tendon rupture. In ankle surgeries, the most common surgery is ATLF repair. If the ATLF repair is done without internal brace, then after the repair, the foot has to be kept in a plaster for about 6 weeks, and the patient can resume running within 10 months. But if the ATLF repair is done with the internal brace, there is no need of the plaster. The patient can weight bearing for the next day of the surgery, and they can resume running within 45 days. Same, we use the internal brace in the tendo Achilles repair, in which because of the internal brace, no plaster is given for a longer duration, and the patient can weight bear immediately and can get back into the sports very quickly. In the same manner, we are using internal brace in the hand surgeries, in the smaller joint ligament surgery of the hand, and in the elbow surgeries when there is a tear of elbow ligament. So basically, friend, internal brace is used in every kind of sports injuries or ligament reconstruction or repair to protect the new ligament, so that the recovery takes place very quickly and you get back into the game very quickly. If you have any doubt about your MRI report, that what kind of surgeries can be done and what will be the best treatment option for you, you can send your MRI reports to us. I will go through it personally and I will reply it to you. If you like the video, then do subscribe the channel and like this video.